In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create page transitions in Wix. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Wix account. From your Wix dashboard, open the website you want to edit. This will take you into the Wix editor for that specific site, where you can access the design settings and make visual changes. Once the editor is open, look for the Design Site option. Click it to open your website design tools. After that, go to the left toolbar and select Site Design. This section contains several appearance settings for your website, including background styles, theme options, and page animation settings. Inside the Site Design panel, click Page Transitions. This will open the Page Transition settings, where you can choose how one page changes into the next when visitors move through your website. Wix gives you several transition effects to choose from, so you can match the movement style to the overall feel of your site. Now select the page transition effect you want to use. For example, you can choose horizontal, vertical, crossfade, or out-in. As soon as you click an option, Wix applies that transition automatically to your website. This makes it easy to test different effects and decide which one looks best for your pages. After you have chosen the transition you want, close the Page Transitions panel. Your setting will remain saved in the editor, so you can move on to testing how it works. Next, click Preview. In preview mode, navigate between your website's pages and watch the transition effect in action. This is an important step because it lets you confirm that the animation feels smooth and fits the design of your site. If everything looks the way you want, click Publish to make the changes live on your website. Once published, visitors will see the new page transition effect when they move from one page to another. That is the full process for creating page transitions in Wix. You open your site from the dashboard, go to Design Site, select Site Design, open Page Transitions, choose your effect, preview the result, and then publish the update. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.